Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect to Contabo VPS. First, log into your Contabo client area. You will find all the necessary details for your virtual private server there. Specifically, look for your server's IP address, the default username, which is usually root, and the initial password. Before attempting to connect, double-check your firewall settings to ensure that SSH connections on port 22 are permitted. This is a crucial first step for a smooth connection. For Windows users, PooTTY is an excellent and free tool for SSH connections. You can easily download and install it from its official website. Once installed, open PooTTY and enter your Contabo VPS IP address into the host name or IP address field. The default port, 22, should already be selected. Click Open, then when prompted, enter root as the username and your initial password to establish the secure connection. If you're on Mac OS or Linux, connecting to your Contabo VPS is straightforward using the built-in terminal. Simply open your terminal application and type SSH root at your VPS IP address, replacing the placeholder with your actual server IP. Press Enter, and the system will prompt you for your password. Enter the initial password provided by Contabo. This method offers a direct and efficient way to access your server's command line interface. Once you've successfully connected to your Contabo VPS, the very first thing you should do is change the default root password to a strong, unique one. Next, it's highly recommended to create a new user account with sudo privileges for your regular administrative tasks, avoiding direct root login. For even greater security, consider setting up SSH key-based authentication, which eliminates the need for passwords entirely and provides a more robust defense against unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.